All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we are diving deep into what is, without a doubt, the most complex logistical operation in human history. I mean, forget building pyramids, forget landing on the moon. What we're looking at, it's on a whole other level. We're talking about the Santa Protocol. So let's start with a number. Just let this sink in. 2.4 billion. That's the estimated number of good kids around the world. Yeah, these aren't just statistics. These are the targets, every single one of them, spread across every single continent. And here's the timeline, 31 hours. That is the entire window of opportunity, just 31 hours to get the job done. How? Well, by using the Earth's rotation to his advantage. But here's the kicker. There are no do-overs, no extensions, absolutely zero room for error. So you gotta be asking, right? How is that even possible? 2.4 billion deliveries in 31 hours? The answer, and this is the key, it isn't magic, it's technology. Clandestine tech that's so far beyond our understanding, it might as well be. So let's open the classified file. It's time to break down Operation Christmas Eve. Okay, Section 1, the impossible Christmas mission. The objective? I mean, on paper, it sounds simple enough, right? Deliver gifts to every eligible kid in one night. But actually doing it? Oh, that is a whole different story. It is unbelievably complex. See, the sheer scale of this thing requires technology that is just, well, it's way beyond anything in the public domain. To really get our heads around it, we're going to break it down into 4 critical phases. We've got production, intelligence, the delivery vehicle itself, and of course, how it all stays secret. All right, phase 1. Quantum manufacturing. Let's start with the obvious question. The presents. How in the world do you make billions of unique, high-quality gifts and have them all ready to go on such a crazy deadline? Well, here's the first mind-blowing secret. The North Pole's workshop? Forget the cozy, old-timey factory you're picturing. It's not that. It's a quantum fabrication facility. We're talking about a nano-assembly line. It literally builds toys atom by atom, molecule by molecule, from raw material. Instant, custom production. And this process is just unbelievably efficient. First, it scans global wish list data in real time. Then it allocates the raw atomic matter needed. Step 3, the nano-assemblers replicate and build the toy in an instant. And finally, it's packaged and staged for delivery. This whole thing just completely sidesteps the rules of normal manufacturing. Okay, so you've got the gifts, but that's only part of the puzzle. That brings us to phase 2, global intelligence. I mean, this is the big one, isn't it? How does he know who's been naughty or nice? This isn't just a list. It's an intelligence network on a scale we can barely comprehend. So yeah, forget some elf with a scroll and a quill. The operator uses something called a behavioral analysis suite. We think it's a global empathy network that analyzes actions, communications, all of it to figure out sentiment and intent. We're talking trillions of data points crunched in real time, all anonymized, to build that final delivery list. It's data science on a truly cosmic scale. All right, now we get to the really cool part. Phase 3, the sleigh's secrets. This is the star of the whole show, the delivery platform. The internal codename is Sleigh, but let's be real, it's so much more than that. It's basically a futuristic spacecraft. Think about this for a second. To make billions of stops in just 31 hours, you'd have to be traveling at something like 2,200 miles per second. Yeah, no jet, no rocket we know of can do that. So what in the world is powering this thing? And this is where things get really wild. A normal spacecraft uses chemical rockets. The Sleigh uses what's called a starlight reindeer drive, some kind of biological symbiotic engine we just don't understand yet. But more importantly, it doesn't fly through space like we do. It actually bends space-time around itself, creating wormholes to jump from point to point instantly. So wormholes solve the problem of getting across the globe in seconds. But what about getting inside the house, right? How do you get past a locked door, a brick chimney, without making a sound or leaving a trace? The answer is, he doesn't need a key. He doesn't even need a chimney. The secret here is something called quantum tunneling. By manipulating his own quantum state, the operator can just pass right through solid walls. He's in and out before you'd ever know he was there. Which brings us to our final phase. Total evasion. I mean, you've got a craft popping in and out of existence all over the planet, right? With all that incredible activity, how does this entire operation stay a complete secret, year after year after year? This is the question that places like NORAD get all the time, and they have fun with it, which is great. But the real technical answer to can they track Santa is an absolute definitive no. That sleigh is equipped with an evasion suite that makes it totally invisible. It's not just one thing. It's a whole layered defense system. There's a metamaterial cloak that bends light and radar right around it, making it invisible. A signal matrix jams any sensor that even tries to get a lock. And the workshop itself, get this, it's shielded by a space-time distortion field, basically hiding it from our entire dimension. So there you have it, mission accomplished. You combine quantum manufacturing, global intelligence, space-time travel, and total evasion, and what you get is a perfect, completely traceless operation, every single year. And once the very last gift is delivered, a simple, untraceable message goes out on low-frequency channels. A quick sign-off from the operator, confirming that another run of the Santa protocol is successfully complete. And all of this leaves us with one final kind of chilling question. If this level of technology actually exists, and it's just being used to deliver toys, what else is possible?